The Office of District Tuberculosis Officer East Khasi Hills District yesterday organized a food distribution support scheme for TB patients at Social Service Centre Bishop House, Lankra, as part of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukh Bharat. Speaking to reporters, District TB Officer Dr. J. Karwanlang said that the State TB Office has started its community engagement to find a donor for the TB patients to give their patients nutritional support during their duration of treatment. Dr. Karwanlang informed that the TB office has found around 8 donors now catering to 74 patients right now, even as she said that it is a long way to go as there are around 1,300 patients at present taking treatment. The program also aims at sensitizing about the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program and the newly launched Pradhan Mantri TB Mukh Bharat Abhiyan.
East Khasi Hills, we had started where it is a community engagement, where we have to find a donor for the TB patient to give nutritional support in the food sector by giving them every month during their duration of treatment. Most of them 6 months, 9 months, then 1.5 year treatment. So we have found in East Khasi Hills, we have got around 8 donors now, and it's catering to 74 patients right now. So we still have a long way to go, because in East Khasi Hills we have around 1,300 patients at present taking treatment.